Today we're going to be making macaroni and cheese. I love macaroni and cheese because you can change it up based on your likes, dislikes, whatever you're in the mood for that day. I'm going to be boiling mine in chicken stock, and then I'm adding some seasoning salt for flavor for the noodles. You don't have to do it in the chicken stock. You can boil it in regular water. You can do half and half, but you just want to get some flavor in your noodles when you're boiling them. I did about a box and a half, if I didn't say that. And just stirring them in between to make sure they don't clump together. I have cheddar jack cheese, sharp cheese, macaroni and cheese blend, and an Italian blend. You can change this up based on the type of cheeses you like, but I just like different flavors in my macaroni and cheese. So I'm going to be making a cheese sauce to begin with. Then I have some heavy whipping cream. You can do this without doing the cheese sauce and just mix the cheeses in. But I'm doing the cheese sauce, so I'm using half of each pack, like I said, and then adding seasoning into that cheese sauce just so the flavor gets around everywhere. Again, I'm just using seasoning salt, onion powder, garlic powder. You can use whatever you want, and about half a cup or so of the heavy whipping cream. You can pour in a little bit less. You just want to get a good consistency on the cheese sauce so that it goes around the noodles nice and good. Once the noodles are done, you drain them. I put them in the baking pan that I did have. You can add a little bit of pepper, stuff like that there. I don't want to add too much salt, so you can add whatever you want there at that point. And then I'm just mixing the cheese sauce around. You can see, waited till it got a good coverage of everything. And then I'm going to take the other half of the pack of cheese and put it on top. You can mix these in a bowl together so that they are evenly distributed if you want to do that way. But it's all going to get cheese at the end. So I'm just putting those on top, spreading it out nice and even. Then I'm going to put it in the oven, put mine at 375, and baked it until done. This is about halfway through. It was nice and cheesy, but my daughter likes it brown. So I uncovered it and let it brown some. So you can just bake it until you feel it's good, and you can see it's nice and cheesy.